Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto, you know how important it is to manage your stablecoins effectively. Today, we're tackling a super straightforward process, converting USDT to USDC on Binance in 2025. Whether you're preparing for new market trends or just want to switch things up, this guide will get you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First off, make sure you have a Binance account ready. If you don't, head to the Binance website or app and sign up. It's quick and secure. Once you're logged in, we'll start with the basics. Open your Binance app or website and enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Step 1. Head over to the Wallets section. This is where you can see all your assets, including your USDT balance. It's usually at the top of the page for easy access. Step 2. Look for the Convert feature. In 2025, Binance has made this even more user-friendly. It's often right under the Wallets tab or in the trading menu. Click on it to open the conversion interface. Step 3. In the Convert page, select USDT as the cryptocurrency you want to convert from. You'll see a list of available assets, so pick USDT from your holdings. Step 4. Next, choose USDC as the asset you want to convert to. Binance will show you the current exchange rate, so keep an eye on that for the best deal. Step 5. Enter the amount of USDT you wish to convert. The system will display an estimate of how much USDC you'll receive, including any small fees. Always double-check these to avoid surprises. Step 6. Review all the details one last time, then hit the Confirm button. Binance will process the transaction almost instantly. And just like that, you're done. Your USDC should appear in your wallet shortly. Remember, crypto markets can be volatile, so only convert what you need and stay secure by using two-factor authentication. Thanks for watching this quick tutorial. If it helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. See you in the next video.